Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. A new month has started as time is flying while I am playing the catching game. In this video, I am going to talk about the top 10 hottest Chinese dramas which are airing right now, and you guys should be watching at least some of them. Only if your binge watch list is empty. As we all have to manage our times to watch dramas, as always, all the timelines of the C dramas that I have included are in the description below. And if you are a beginner in this fantasy of C dramas, just consider taking a visit of my channel. Just give this video a like and do comment below which C drama list you want to watch next. So just enough of dirty tricks of promotion, and now let's get started. Number 10, Stray Birds, a youth inspirational drama about the struggles, love, life and friendship among a group of rich and passionate young adults who try their best to change the pejorative label they have been given by the China society, rich second generation, into a positive one, a new second generation. Graduate student Wu Ye, rich second generation, Lin Xiaoting and Xu Xiaoman participated in a large-scale job fair and won NBI, that is, the IT company's internship qualification. Entering workplace, they face many challenges in a competitive environment and complex interpersonal relationships. As they work to prove their abilities, they also face pressure and test of love and friendship. Number 9. Be Together. The story revolves around 4 women who are nearing their 30s, as they support one another and witness each other's growth and change. Xiayan, Han Shuang, Zhao Xiaolei, and Xiangnan are close friends since university. After graduation, the 4 of them live and work in the same city. Xiayan aspires to create a quality application that can change how people live. After graduation, she enters the IT industry with her hard work, becomes one of the project representatives of SG organization. She also gains true love after a series of tumultuous relationships. To fulfill her dreams of becoming a designer, Han Shuang, who comes from a wealthy family, decides to jump out of her comfort zone. Then she starts from the bottom and becomes a part-timer at a design furniture shop. She and Dr. Ma Kei becomes a couple after various struggles. Zhao Xiaolei comes from a traditional family. One day, before her wedding ceremony, her boyfriend broke up with her. With the encouragement from her family, she finally walks out of the shadow of a relationship and regains her confidence once again. Xiangnan is a doctor who seems calm and logical, but actually has a closed-up inner heart. One day, she met with an accident which helps her regain her faith in life. Number 8. The Trick of Life and Love. When you happen to save the man that annoyed you the most and he wakes up with an amnesia, what kind of love-hate relationship will it bring? Domineering CEO Ning Xingming has a reputation for being a professor from the hell. After a mysterious car accident, he is saved by Li Xian, a person that he hasn't seen in years. They were enemies. She was a witty student and now an all-around secretary. So now the fun of the story begins. Number 7. The Secret of Love. Sui loses her memory after getting burnt in a fire accident, and in the midst of searching for the truth and her memories, she meets Li Jiaxing, who has countless ties to this incident. Li Jiaxing is considered a still person with cold personality. Having born into a family that values money and power and without warmth, his destiny has been arranged from birth. Work hard on the set target and be the successor of the Li group. The two of them are at odds in the beginning, but gradually form a tactical partnership of equal footing. Sui challenges his outlook and beliefs and allows him to break through all obstacles in the path of true love. Number 6. Never Say Goodbye. 3 years ago, police officer Liu Wanwen sends back wrong intelligence, seemingly causing the death of his fiancée and fellow police officer Rong Yu. He also loses a friend in Rong Yao, his brother-in-law-to-be, and the member of drug task force. Disheartened by all the events, Liu Wanwen resigns from his position and cuts off all contact. In the present time, Rong Yao has been promoted to the leader of the task force and is ordered to provide ongoing support and resources to the sole undercover operative in Group K, a drug cartel led by the spectre Mr. Ou. Turns out the undercover, Mr. Singh, is actually Liu Wanwen, and the pair must work together to bring back the criminals to justice. Number 5. Youth Should Be Early. With graduation looming, university student Cheng Xin is convinced that her graduation ceremony would be the perfect time to propose to her boyfriend, Zheng Xian, Mustering up the courage to do just that, Chenxin proposes, but in an unexpected move, Zhenxian rejects her. Feeling that he hasn't made any real accomplishments in his life or even career, Zhenxian doesn't think that the time is right to even consider the marriage. Understanding where Zhenxian is coming from, Chengxin offers to help him get a job at her family's company, but Zhenxian's pride refused to allow him to accept. Rejecting a second time, Chengxin has no choice but to sit back and watch as Zhenxian struggles to find a job. Just another face lost in the overwhelming swarm of new graduates clamoring for a job. Zhenxian can't seem to catch a break. Hating to see her love suffer, Chengxin works behind the scenes, setting up an opportunity that is guaranteed to land Zhenxian an ideal job. Soon, a new hire of the Tengda group, Zhenxian believes that he has finally caught a break. But when the truth behind his sudden bout of success is revealed, his world comes crashing down. Forced to resign, his professional reputation destroyed, and his heart in tatters. Zhenxian feels as if he has been utterly defeated. Will he be able to find the strength to pick himself up and start again? Or will the disappointment prove to be too much for him? Number 4. Tears in Heaven. Du Xiaoshu is a willful entertainment reporter who impersonates as a nurse and sneaked into a hospital ward to snap a high-rising star's photo after a car accident. She bumps into Cao Zerong, a suave doctor on duty that begins their bittersweet love relationship. Du Xiaoshu met Cao Zerong's family to discuss their marriage and realized to her horror, Cao Zerong's second brother, Liu Zheng, is none other than the guy who had a one-night stand with her years ago. Much to Du Xiaoshu's dismay, Liu Zheng forbade her relationship with Cao Zerong. During an earthquake rescue mission, Cao Zerong had a mishap and lost his life. As time goes by, Liu Zheng finds it more difficult to resist his feelings for Du Xiaoshu and realized that he had fallen in love with her right from the beginning. Will Du Xiaoshu ever forget Cao Zerong and learn to accept Liu Zheng? Number 3. Truth or Dare. A story that follows two couples who mistakenly find themselves in a marriage they never expected and gradually grow in love and trust over time. The cheerful and clever Xiao Wanzi grew up as a street performer with her dad, selling their special skill of breaking a big stone on the chest. An unexpected encounter utterly changes Xiao Wanzi's life. Xiao Wanzi, who neither knew how to read nor write, suddenly finds herself becoming a princess. Opposed to marrying the princess, Mei Shanshao pushes Xiao Wanzi away in hopes that she would willingly retreat. Meanwhile, the king has also arranged a marriage for Lu Yingyao. The daughter of the ninth prince, however, bandit Xiao Baiyu mistakenly takes her as his wife. Number 2. Ancient Love Poetry. It follows Sango, once a leader of the Four Immortals, who falls into a deep sleep after sacrificing herself in a trial that lasted 60,000 years. Sango wakes up many years later, and memories of what happened 300 years ago were completely wiped. But her former lover, Bai Zue, never forget about her. Sacrificing his reincarnation for her life, he waited for her for 60,000 years. Even when his soul disappears, Sango will wait for him forever. Number 1. Falling into your smile. Student Tong Yao makes two vows: to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field and to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Yao earns her spot as the first formal female player in the China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become of her vows? Will she stand on the world stage to make up for the 6 years of regret? Will she avoid a romantic entanglement within the e-sport world? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.